My initial impressions of Wilton Bain were pretty much wow. Now this is a legit recruitment firm. My name is Lydia Kimani, and I have spent the last 6 weeks at Wilton Bain as an intern. I was in awe of how homely the environment feels, but also how well of a professional working environment it is. I've had an interest in recruitment for a while, but recently discovered the executive search sector thanks to the 10K Black Interns Programme. They really helped me broaden my options and my knowledge when it comes to the business world. It's always important to focus on improving diversity and inclusion, as people from different backgrounds, experiences and perspectives add so much positive gain to our workplace and create a place where everyone feels valued and included. If I had to summarise my experience at Wilton Bain, I would say exciting, intriguing and welcoming. I want to take the experiences from here and actually use them for my future career. I hope the team is appreciative of having a new set of eyes in the office. I hope they see me as someone who was eager to learn and who generally had an interest in each of one of their roles. I hope to take the knowledge and experience I've gained here and really apply it to my job hunting journey. I want to continue to challenge myself further and enhance my business career path, wherever it ends up taking me.